Hello, my little readers. This is your best friend Jiberish Julie, and today we are going to read Peppa Pig's book, and the book's name is Bath Time. Okay, and Peppa and George are bathing. So let's see what's inside the book. Peppa and George love jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Squilts, squilts. So they are playing in the muddy puddle. Do you like playing in the muddy puddle? Let me know in the comment. Peppa and George love jumping up and down in muddy puddle, especially giant ones. Squilt, squilt, hee 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 hee. So that's how they are playing. They are very happy. Hee 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 is going on. Peppa, George, calls Daddy Pig. It's bath time. We are a little bit muddy, says Peppa. Hee 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 hee. Look at the expression of Mummy Pig. She is so worried that they are fully in the puddle, all with mud. So now they are in the bathtub taking a bath. Splash, splash! Peppa and George love splashing in the bath. Hee 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 hee. The hee hee is continuing. Ha ha, says Daddy Pig. Time to get out. We are a little bit wet, says Peppa. And so are we, says Mummy Pig. Hee hee hee, everyone giggles. Hee 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 hee. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are also a bit wet because they are in the bathroom and they are probably helping George and Peppa to take a bath. So all of them are a bit wet, but they will eventually dry them up. So with this, today's book ends. My name is Jiberish Julie, and tomorrow I'll again come back with another book. Till then, if you like my channel, then do subscribe it. It's free. Bye-bye.